who are Databricks and what are you guys here today to show off and let people know?
Databricks is the lakehouse company, so we are the ones who coined the term and have the only cloud lakehouse platform that combines your typical data management that would normally be in data warehousing along with data lake in a unified and governed way that supports all of your analytics needs from BI through to AI.
And obviously we're here today at the very, very busy Databricks store at Big Data London. Obviously you've seen a lot of customers and attendees coming through today. What questions and what challenges are people really asking you guys, and what are people generally concerned about in general?
So the question that I've actually heard more this year than any other is around data sharing and monetization. This is something that we've certainly seen come up more as the need to have more data, particularly as you approach these bigger models, bigger, more complex AI, is really coming to the fore. And so we've been having a lot of conversations about our offerings around Delta sharing, OEM, clean rooms, and the marketplace to be able to leverage and facilitate the sharing of data across organizations.
Perfect. And in terms of trends, what are people really looking at when it comes to 2024 and beyond? What's going to be the next big thing in the data space?
So, I think everybody's talking about generative AI. What I think comes closer to more kind of a next year sort of thing is leveraging generative AI to be more efficient in data. So we've kind of gotten into a pattern of any type of new technology. We want to apply it to our own roles first, and I'm definitely seeing that. So how are we going to use generative AI to make it easier for our users, our stakeholders, to find and access data, to be able to leverage insights and facilitate their democratization of data?
Perfect. 23,000 people today here at Big Data London, I'm told, over the 2 days. But for those who couldn't make it, what would be the one takeaway that you could give to our EM360 subscribers who might not have been able to make it here today?
So I think the thing that stands out to me that was a really strong takeaway is the maturity in the industry and talking more about the teams, the operating models, the strategy that goes into this. And I don't just say this as a strategist. We actually do have multiple theaters here this year talking about these challenges because it isn't just the tech. It's never just the tech as much as I'm here standing on the booth of a tech vendor. It's never just the tech. You need to have a really strong strategy of how your teams are going to actually leverage data and AI and how it's going to reshape your business. And we've seen that integration of data, tech, and AI with business much more clearly this year.
Perfect. Final question for you today, Lexy. Obviously, we are here at Big Data London. How has the event been for you, and why are events like this so important?
I find the event to be amazing. It's such a tremendous turnout. I didn't realize it was 23,000. I had been told it was 14,000, so even bigger. No wonder it felt so busy. I think it's really important, first of all, as a practitioner in the industry, to see what's kind of going on, to learn, to experience more, to find other vendors, to see what other solutions are out there. But also, as a vendor here, to hear the conversations, to be a part of those discussions around what is next, what is needed, what are the solutions people can't find, and help to create that kind of unique selling proposition, of course, that we're all looking for, and be a part of that solve.